Imagine a force devastating it shattered windows 500 miles away and sent a shockwave around the entire planet 3 times. Today, we're peeling back the layers of the most cataclysmic events in history, ranging from volcanic eruptions to humanity's most terrifying inventions. You'll learn how these moments fundamentally reshaped our world and what they reveal about the sheer power of nature versus man. First, we travel back to 1883 for the eruption of Krakatoa, a volcanic explosion it was heard 3,000 miles away. The sound was intense, it effectively shattered the eardrums of sailors nearby, making it the loudest sound recorded in modern history. The blast ejected 11 cubic miles of debris into the atmosphere, causing global temperatures to drop for years afterward. This wasn't just a local disaster. It was a global climate event that proved how fragile our atmosphere truly is. But what happens when we try to recreate that power in a lab? In 1961, the Soviet Union detonated the Tsar Bomba, the largest nuclear weapon ever built. At 50 megatons, it was 3,300 times more powerful than the Hiroshima bomb, creating a fireball 5 miles wide that reached into the stratosphere. The mushroom cloud climbed 40 miles high, essentially touching the edge of space. Surprisingly, the blast was designed to be twice as strong, but scientists scaled it back to prevent global radioactive fallout. Even so, the shockwave circled the Earth twice, proving that humanity had officially mastered the art of total destruction. Finally, we look to the cosmos, where the most powerful explosions occur: supernovae. When a massive star dies, it releases as much energy in a single second as our sun will in its entire 10-billion-year lifespan. These events are the cosmic factories that forge the heavy elements necessary for life, including the iron in your blood and the gold in your jewelry. Without these ancient, violent deaths, you quite wouldn't exist. History shows us that whether triggered by geological pressure, nuclear fission, or stellar collapse, explosions are the ultimate architects of change. They destroy to rebuild, forging new landscapes and scientific breakthroughs from the wreckage of the old. If you found this journey through destruction fascinating, and comment below. Which of these events do you think was the most terrifying?